What up, YouTube? Episode 8 on deck. Gonna take a day off to do some stuff around the house, fix some stuff on this bike. I needed new, what did I fix? Oh, the air box, that's what it was. When I installed the smart carb, I didn't trim it, and you're supposed to because the smart carb's a little longer than the can. And the air box is 5 years old, starting to get, you know, harder or more brittle with age. So I needed some patching together so it'll last a week, long enough for me to get another one ordered. And then I got a Pro Circuit Platinum 2 pipe on here, and I put some new O-rings on there, goobered some RTV on, put some new hold down springs, kind of cured the vibration. Then tomorrow I get to go pick up my new Glock 19 from Sage Hill Arms down in Winnemucca. What a fantastic store, by the way. They had about a 3-day turnaround on the background checks, which is pretty unheard of. So tomorrow, I don't know if I'll get a ride in, but I've got a couple of episodes on deck. 6 and 7 are pretty much ready to go. God damn it. I have a little problem with that little obstacle right there. No issue being consistent. I'm getting better at this as far as my fitness goes. Fewer breaks, less breathing like a whore in church, more consistent, faster. I managed a 7-minute 40-second run for episode 7. The best time yet. Halfway point. Cool wheelie. Oh. Also went a click leaner on the smart carb for tuning a little bit. 79 clicks from full rich. I might go one more here sooner or later. thing's like a tractor. The wind must have blown that little piece of brush in the track. Yeah, get out of here. This is shaping up to be a pretty good run too. Unless I fuck this up. Whew. Give my arms a little break. Try not to fuck this one up. And time. That was probably my best run. To look at the footage, find out for sure. Thanks for watching episode 8. Brrrap.